Ryan and Katie are a young Illinois family just starting out. They found their dream home, but their mortgage application's been rejected. Or Bill and Jean, retired in Illinois, dreaming of RVs. Their loan app denied. And Sam, working to expand his Illinois business, but his loan apps stalled. Three great customers with great banking histories, kept from their dreams by Dodd-Frank rules meant to protect consumers. But in fact, those rules are often preventing Illinois residents and other Americans from realizing their dreams. Under Dodd-Frank, fewer consumers qualify for loans. The government dictates income levels to borrow, and fewer types of income are allowed. Most assets aren't counted at all. And everyone's drowning in paperwork. Dodd-Frank came with an unprecedented 400 new rules and 30,000 pages of explanation. Just the new mortgage disclosure form comes with 1,000 pages of instructions and big penalties for any deviations. Everyone suffers. Low-income individuals, small business owners, rural residents, the recently retired, and newly employed. In some parts of rural Illinois, small banks, often the only banks, have stopped making loans because they can't afford staff to do the tedious compliance paperwork, which forces a lot of folks to drive farther to do business with a bank that wasn't their first choice. Worse, Dodd-Frank's taken decision-making away from bankers who know their communities and residents. The government now decides who doesn't get a loan. Like Ryan and Katie. Good jobs, little income and credit history, but lots of potential. Their banker sees it. All Dodd-Frank sees is an insufficient checklist. Or like Sam, a victim of Dodd-Frank red tape and delays. Federal bureaucrats refuse to accept their own documents, Sam's tax returns, as proof of income. By the time he'd hired a costly outside auditor to verify his income, the building he wanted had been sold. Or like Bill and Jean, retired with no more regular paychecks. Their banker knows they've got plenty of assets and can easily afford a loan. But that's not enough under Dodd-Frank. Illinois bankers aren't looking for repeal, just a focused surgical fix for some of Dodd-Frank's red tape and inconsistencies. It's time to give back the decision-making power. Bring it back to the neighborhood level where bankers know the people in their community much better than the bureaucrats in Washington. Give Illinois residents and all Americans the credit they deserve to realize their dreams. Fix Dodd-Frank today.